Hey, what's up? It's Josiah with Cooked on a Feeling. Today we're going to be doing something a little bit different. Rather than taking you somewhere or teaching you something, I'm just going to take you with me on a journey as I cook breakfast for myself this morning. So I just woke up. I honestly don't know what's in my fridge. It's pretty sure it's a little bit bleak. So basically what we're going to do is treat this like a normal morning. I didn't prepare for this video. I didn't buy anything for this video. I'm just going to go into my fridge, see what I have, and try to make something delicious. And that way you can see that you can make delicious, safe, and healthy meals out of almost nothing. So without further ado, let's get into this video. Come on, let's check out the kitchen. Let's roll. Oh, sorry, I forgot to bring you with me. Let's go.
Let's see what we're working with in here. Not much. So these top two shelves are mine. I do have a lot of eggs. I have a tomato, also champagne. I could pop some champagne. Let's check out this drawer down here. So this is also my drawer. Looks like we got an onion, peppers, and spinach. I'm gonna take all of those out. We're gonna be using those today. We have the makings of something good here. You doing out here? LeBron James. I bought it like a 98 pack of eggs. I've been using it for the last 30 years. My tomato. Woohoo. Damn. Okay, these are our supplies. We got 5 eggs, spinach, a little bit of pepper. We got an avocado and an onion. We're gonna grab our olive oil. Let's go red potatoes today. I don't believe in twisty ties. I think they're a waste of time, a waste of life. Probably spend literally a year of your life undoing and doing twisty ties.
To be honest with you, I'm not even sure what we're gonna make today, but I just want to show you the possibilities when you use your imagination and whatever you got laying around. I made a video, you can check it out up here, about what to buy at the grocery store, what to buy at Walmart that's gluten, sugar, dairy free and super healthy. My goal today is to show you that you can use these healthy, simple, delicious things to make a bangin' breakfast. First things first, let's chop these up, baby. And look, you got these tiny little potato chunks like this, and you can make them as big or as small as you want. If you do make your potatoes a lot smaller, then they're gonna cook a lot faster. So if you're ever in a hurry, then that's the way to go. Potatoes for days.
We're gonna throw all these potatoes in the bowl. You wanna grab your seasoning. My thruple is gonna be garlic powder, pepper, and salt. That's really all you need to have a deliciously seasoned meal. Ka-chow. Shake, shake, shake. Shake your booty. That's probably too much. I just got into the song. Throw some olive oil up in there. Mama says you can never ever have too much garlic powder. This is gonna need 2 hands. So I don't think I can do this with 1 hand. Yeah, I'll be back. Looks nice and seasoned. So I'm gonna just go ahead and toss this like this. Now our pan's nice and warm. We're just gonna toss that in there. Oh, listen to that sizzle, sizzle, baby. Oh, it smells amazing already. I love it. We're gonna let that cook for a little bit. We're gonna monitor it.
As a general rule of thumb, potatoes take the longest. Eggs cook super quick. Spinach cooks super quick. So we don't really need to worry about those too much. If you want your veggies al dente, then you're also not gonna cook them super long, like literally a couple minutes. So anyway, now that your potatoes are sizzling and sizzling good, we can chop up these veggies. And then when the potatoes are closer to being done, we can just chuck these veggies in the skillet with it, let them sizzle up for a little bit, and then see what we come up with. Let's get chopping. I'm sure there's channels out there that'll tell you exactly how to cut up a pepper, but this channel is not that. I am LeBron. Just going to chop this bit up and see what happens. So next time you're out to eat, sorry, I'm pointing a knife at you. Next time you're out to eat, keep an eye on what you get that's safe and healthy, and then come home and just make the same thing. I cut them about this length here. I'm just gonna go right across, and I kind of like this length here. Gonna give my potatoes a stir. Oh, they're coming along nice. Check this out.
It's kind of looking perfect. Just stir it so that it doesn't burn. Now that we have our crisp on the potato, it's not as urgent to get more crisp. It's just more important that it cooks. So I'm gonna turn it down to low. We got this onion here. Kind of the same thing. Just gonna make some big old slices. And voila. Cool, so we have a lot of food here. This is definitely more than for 1 person. Let's just cut up this tomato real quick. I don't really know how to cut tomatoes. I just kind of wing it every time. Thank you all for being here, by the way. I appreciate it. It means a lot to me. I'm doing this to try to help you all. So if this is helpful, let me know. So if you have any friends or family that would enjoy these videos, that would be useful for them, or if you're trying to get your family more healthy and eating on a better diet, then, you know, this is the channel for them. So this looks great. It's a ton of vegetables. In fact, I think I did overboard, so I'm not gonna use all of them. How's that ratio looking? That's pretty good. By the way, I did wash my hands before this video. Don't judge me. And if you didn't, I'm judging you. Go wash your hands, you nasty. So really, I guess the only thing I'm gonna add now, I'm thinking, is spinach. We'll just throw that on top. So this spinach is gonna shrink down to almost nothing. So I like to put a big, like, hearty handful in. Like this amount, pretty good. Let me take y'all over and see what we're looking at. Come on, guys. All right, so our masterpiece is sizzling away. You can kind of integrate that spinach into there so it gets some of that lovely juice and olive oil all mixed in. Look, you can see the spinach is already kind of at the right size. Everything's kind of good. I would say this is freaking done. This is nice. I'm pretty pumped about this. I'm actually super excited. Poison! Poison, poison. All right, so pretty much the only thing left to do is to take this and put it on a plate and then use the remains to fry, I don't know, 2 eggs and then cut up the avocado.
Here, I believe, is a good avocado. Has the right mush consistency. Let's take that tip off. Ooh, yeah, look at that. Woo, that's an avocado, baby. Ta-da! And then to get the seed out, it's a little tricky. Well, that wasn't tricky at all. It just rolls right out.
Oh yeah, baby. Look at that goodness. This is like just a sexy little bowl. One. Ah, I ruined it. So let's try this again. I'm not good at cracking with one hand. LeBron! But you know what, man? We're making it work. So 1 egg. I'm 1 for 2 here. Pretty happy with that. Can he get 2 for 3? Don't embarrass me in front of my friends. Oh yeah! I'm gonna make these eggs runny. What are they called? Sunny side up? No, over easy. I'm gonna make them over easy. All right, so these are sizzling good. I'm gonna cover them up just to get the top layer of phlegm done. Literally, it's gonna take probably 30 seconds, so we should be good to go. While we wait, I'm gonna grab our avocados. Come on over to our bowl that I covered to keep nice and hot. Look at that, guys. Okay, we're gonna give it just a little gentle squeeze to try to keep the shape of our cubes. Because, you know, remember, we eat with our eyes, not with our mouth. Mixing it up, mixing it up. Eggs are probably done. That looks pretty enough. I would accept that egg. I would swipe right for that egg. Now I'm just gonna place this on top. All right, guys, check it out. Look at this bowl. That is so delicious, so delicious. One little final touch. We're gonna come in here. We're gonna get a lime or a lemon. We're just gonna give it a little bit of a If you want to get super crazy, you could always add some like sriracha or something. I'm gonna do that just because why not? Okay, just a little drizzle, nothing crazy. All right, if I'm being perfectly honest, I think I lost some points on the drizzle here. My drizz game isn't my riz game. This is what I created this morning from nothing. I mean, as you can see, I had some random vegetables, potato, and you know, some crap laying around. If you went to like First Watch, you're spending 12, 15 bucks on something like this, not including, you know, the $3 coffee and all that stuff. So this is a cheap, healthy way to eat a breakfast, and it really didn't take me that long to make. Let's see how this thing tastes, right? Man, I like to poke my egg and let it kind of run all over the food. This looks amazing, I'm not gonna lie. Wow, that's phenomenal. This is a healthy, quick, easy, affordable, fun, exciting way to cook breakfast in the morning.
All right, we're back in the studio. So hopefully you had a good example of what you can do with just some leftovers lying around in your fridge. The possibilities are literally endless. You can build whatever you want with that. Feel free to add things or remove things, add some chicken or steak or mushrooms, or take out the onions, whatever you want. Just know that that is a simple and quick way to fix something up. Keep an eye on my channel as I give more tips and tricks on what to make that's gluten, sugar, and dairy free. Have a great week, and we'll see you next time. Ciao for now.